So you want to get some girls obsessed with you. Getting girls wanting you and pursuing you is simple, and it's much easier than you think. I strongly advise you to use this information responsibly and ethically. Are you ready? I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get girls that you want to pursue you and want to be with you to the point where attracting women is as natural as breathing. But knowing something in your head is completely different from experiencing it in real life. And that's why many men find it hard to actually use this advice. 10 years ago, I was clueless when it came to attracting girls. And while I knew what the right things to say or do were, my emotions were stronger than me every single time. But after interacting with hundreds of women, I finally cracked the code on why it's so hard to implement the advice that you find. Because if it was easy, everybody would be crushing it, right? The first element is one that is by far the most important, but also the most overlooked. Number one, understanding your value. Trying to appear confident when you actually feel nervous and unsure creates more stress and makes things harder for you. When you really want a girl to approve of you, but you can't stay calm and focused, it becomes even more challenging. Deep down, in those moments, you fail to see the give and take between you and the girl. When you understand what you offer and how her life can get better with you, you become more grounded and you won't feel the need to overly impress her. Do you think that Rolex is begging people to buy their watches, or that Audi calls people 10 times in a row to beg them to buy their cars? The answer is no, because they understand and are grounded in their value. If somebody doesn't want to buy their product, they're just fine without them. Second lesson that I'm about to share with you is perhaps the most disregarded of all of them, and yet this one brings the most results with girls getting obsessed with you. Number two, move slower than she does. Most guys are in a great rush to the finish line when it comes to girls. I'm going to illustrate this with a story of fast guy and slow guy, and they both meet cute girl. Slow guy meets cute girl on Friday, gets her number, and he sends her his number in that moment. Fast guy also meets cute girl on Friday and gets her number. On Saturday, fast guy messages cute girl, "Hey, it was great to meet you yesterday." Slow guy, nothing. On Sunday, fast guy asks cute girl to do something together on Monday. Cute girl is flattered, but says that she's already got plans for Monday. Slow guy, nothing. On Tuesday, fast guy again asks cute girl if she wants to meet up. Cute girl feels that fast guy is a bit desperate and pushy, so she decides to take her time to think about it and to respond later. On Wednesday, slow guy finally gets in touch with cute girl and he tells her he's going to be hanging out in the park at around 5 p.m. on Thursday, and he asks if she'd like to join. She enthusiastically accepts. Fast guy was in a desperate and urgent need to communicate with cute girl and to make plans with her as soon as possible. He reached out 3 different times before slow guy even sent anything. Slow guy was busy with his own life, he's grounded in himself, and he doesn't follow the path of desperation and urgency. If cute girl is meant to be, he trusts that they will meet when they need to. He also invited her to do something that he's going to be doing anyway. This makes cute girl feel safe and comfortable, so she accepts his invitation. She thought he may even forgot about her because he was moving just a bit slowly with her. So this brings us to one of the most crucial points when it comes to attracting girls. Number 3, standards and boundaries. The average frustrated guy fails to uphold his boundaries and his standards with women that he's attracted to, because once he finally gets the attention of a girl he likes, he's afraid to lose it. Cute girl was dating both strong guy and weak guy. She wasn't sure who she likes more, so subconsciously she starts testing them both. Cute girl is an hour late for a date with weak guy. She arrives and says, "Sorry I'm late, I totally lost track of time." Weak guy responds, "That's fine, I'm just happy to see you." Cute girl isn't sure why, but she feels less attracted to weak guy today. And then cute girl is also an hour late to a date with strong guy. She arrives and says, "Sorry I'm late, I totally lost track of time." Strong guy responds, "Listen cute girl, I do like you and I enjoy spending time with you, but for us to keep seeing each other, you're gonna have to respect my time. I don't appreciate you being an hour late." As the silence grows between them, cute girl started hugging and kissing strong man. "I'm so sorry, let me make it up to you," she smiled. Strong guy wasn't afraid to express his disapproval of her behavior, making his standards and boundaries clear in a respectful manner, while weak man was afraid to upset her. Who do you think cute girl is gonna choose and obsess about? Now let's explore one of the crucial differences between a guy who has many girls chasing him and one who doesn't. Number 4, beliefs and assumptions. Your beliefs and assumptions about yourself and girls matter. For example, if a girl takes hours or days to reply to your text, what do you think to yourself? Do you assume that she doesn't care and do you send another text? "Hey Julia, how's it going?" 2 days later, you send, "Hey, how's your week going, Julia?" To attract girls, you gotta examine your deep-seated beliefs and your self-image. If you expect positive responses, like she'll reply when she's ready, and if not, that's fine. You won't follow the need to text her again. Girls very often test men by seeing how they react to slow replies. The men who get rattled and disturbed due to their negative beliefs and assumptions get rejected, while those who stay silent and calm win every time. And this brings us to a very mysterious aspect of attracting girls. Number 5, the power of silence. When you're talking with a girl and there's a silence or pause, do you anxiously try to fill the silence because you're afraid that if you stop talking, the girl will get bored and leave? Guys who easily get girls attracted and obsessed with them aren't afraid of pauses in a conversation. They think, well, if I need to be constantly entertaining her and she isn't making an effort in a conversation, she's just not the right girl for me. So when you're speaking with a girl and the silence arises, do not see it as awkward. See it for what it is, an opportunity to connect with her on another level. Number 6, is she good enough for me? Most guys who struggle to attract girls try to get every single girl they meet to like them. But guys who frequently have girls chasing them do it differently. As opposed to asking the powerful question, is she what I'm looking for in a girl? When you operate from an insecure or a scarcity mindset, you fail to understand that girls want men who have standards and also qualify them. When a girl senses that you will say or do anything you can to please her, she loses interest. Number 7, the art of touch. My sexy young lover was telling me stories of how some less experienced guys screw up their chances with her. One of the things she mentioned was how many times they would try to kiss her out of the blue without any warning. Learning the art of touch and properly connecting with a woman physically is like learning a new language. If you're spending the majority of your time in front of digital screens, you're going to find it awkward and difficult to smoothly and appropriately touch a woman, to make her feel comfortable with you. You need to improve your sensitivity and your physical game, so to speak. And this is the final secret in today's video. Number 8, speak less. The less you speak, the more you listen. The more you listen, the more attracted she becomes to your masculine presence. Guys who struggle with women usually talk too much and listen too little. Your mere presence is deeply attractive to girls. So in this next video, I'm going to start diving deeper into each of these secrets of attraction and how to get girls attracted to you in an authentic and a genuine manner. So subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next one.